In today's video, I will be showing you 3 big companies that are hiring remote. Now, the thing that these companies all have in common is that they are hiring part-time with a flexible schedule, and they are hiring up to $30 per hour. Many of you requested that I cover more part-time positions, so that is exactly what we're doing here today. Now, remember that I do these types of videos every single Sunday. So if you're looking for remote or work from home jobs, make sure that you tune in to this channel every Sunday. Also, leave me a comment below to let me know where you're from and what kind of jobs you're looking for. This helps me bring the opportunities that you guys actually want. What's up, money makers? Welcome back to this channel. My name is Diamond Chanel, and we talk about all things money. So this is not going to be a long video. We're just going to jump right into the information. The first work from home job I'm going to show you is a well-known company, and they're offering a part-time position starting at $15 per hour. And they also offer many opportunities to gain bonuses. So I'm going to jump into this. I'll give you the job description. I'll tell you what's needed, and then we'll go on to the next position. Our first company is Wayfair, and I'm sure a lot of you have heard of them, especially the ladies. This is a website where you can get all types of different furniture pieces and all types of different home decor. So they are looking for a remote customer service representative. This is fully remote, 100%, and unfortunately, it is only open to the United States. As a customer service representative, you will actually be choosing your own hours. So you're going to provide the hours that you would like to work, and they're going to work around your availability to help you develop your desired schedule, which I think is really cool. For this job, Wayfair will be giving you the training tools and the decision-making ability to help their customers. So you will get training 100%. Now, some of the things that you'll be doing is answering customer questions in regards to shipping, damages, returns, replacement, assembly services, and order notification. Make sure that you demonstrate reliability. Attendance is very important. You'll have to handle high volume of contacts. You'll have to meet a high performance bar, engage with customers, listen actively and show empathy, de-escalate any type of situations or customer concerns, have great problem solving skills, multitask, and help them develop and improve any of their systems. Now, the hourly pay for this starts at $15.60, so $15.60 per hour, depending on the location. However, they say that your pay can increase as early as 6 months. Also, they offer quarterly performance bonuses as well as referral bonuses for $500 per eligible referral. The benefits are pretty standard. The 401k, they match it up to 4%. 7 paid federal holidays and 1 floating holiday, paid and unpaid leave options, and also eligible tuition reimbursement up to $5,000. You must be able to work at least 1 weekend day for a total of 20 hours per week. You have to be 18 years or older. You must have a high school diploma, GED, or equivalent. You will be required to hardwire your computer to a modem with minimum internet speeds of 25 megabytes per second and 5 megabytes per second upload. Wi-Fi alone is not sufficient for this position. You also need to have a private and dedicated workspace free of any distractions, and Wayfair wants to ensure that you have success, so training is 100% mandatory. You will have to pass the candidate assessment to proceed with the interview. Our second remote job is going to be another big company that's paying up to $30 per hour. They do require a little bit more experience than the last one. However, they state that if you do not check every box in what is required, they want you to submit an application anyways. They are open to seeing what you have to offer and hopefully offering you a position. So let's get into it. Vitae is our next opportunity. So this is a company in the healthcare field, and I want to show you in particular this one position that they have open, which is their billing department. So they have a billing appeal specialist as well as a phone specialist, and I'm going to go over one of them and then I'll leave the link to the other one in the description below. So they are a medical genetics company that is responsible for delivering timely genetic information using digital technology to their customers as well as their vendors. So this is what they expect for you to perform. The billing team is responsible for maximizing revenue for the company while interacting with health insurers to secure coverage and reimbursement to their patients. You'll have to perform trend analysis of payer rejections and denials, produce high volumes of successful appeals to insurance carriers to obtain payment, and collaborate with multiple teams to develop the best practices to ensure that they are doing their job accurately. So this is what they hope that you bring: a bachelor's degree in the preferred industry of laboratory healthcare, biotech, and or health life sciences, 1 year of healthcare billing experience or equivalent, a strong understanding of the healthcare revenue cycle, exceptional communication, attention to detail, and have high energy and also be flexible. Now, the pay range for this starts at $23 and goes up to $29.23 per hour. So this is where they say, please apply, even if you do not meet all the requirements. They want for you to go ahead and shoot your shot anyways. Now, what you'll have to do is click the link in the description and fill out this simple form and application. I doubt that this form will take you more than 20 minutes to fill out. The other position that they're offering within the same field is for a phone specialist. However, their schedule is going to be 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. PST. I'm going to leave the link to this position in the description below, just in case any of you are interested, and you can kind of go over and read what it is that they expect. The pay for this particular position goes up to $26 per hour. So if this is something that interests you, go ahead and shoot your shot for it, because they also put in this application that if you do not check every box, that's okay, apply anyways. Before we head over to our final work from home job, if you are enjoying this video or if you like this type of content, please like the video. This is going to help me tremendously as a content creator, bring you these types of opportunities weekly. If you have not seen what you're looking for yet, do not worry. Just leave me a comment below and let me know what type of positions you're looking for and also where you're from, so that I can find the right opportunities for you. So now let's get into our very last position. This one will not involve customer service, so let's get into it. Our final opportunity is from Wattpad. They specialize in media as well as books. This one is kind of interesting, so let me show you. They are looking for a content reviewer. This is 100% remote. This is a freelance temporary opportunity to work full-time or part-time, and it is considered to be an entry-level career job. So let's look at the description a little bit more. You'll be working for 3 to 6 months as an independent contractor with their company, Webtoon. Now, Webtoon is a platform for comics. They say that they have over 89 million users, and they've worked with companies like Netflix and HBO Max. So they're looking for content writers to analyze and evaluate Webtoon content. So as a content reviewer, you will review visual and written content using their content rating guidelines. They're looking for someone with experience in user-generated content moderation. You must be culturally aware of the trends in pop culture in the United States, and you also must be tech savvy. Because they did not list their hourly rate in their job description, I went ahead and looked up how much they usually pay. They said that their lowest pay is going to be $44,000 annually, which is going to give you around $22 per hour, but they have higher pays that are up to like $100,000. So their medium salary is going to be around $48 per hour. So my assumption is that they're going to pay you anywhere from $21 to $40 per hour for this type of position. If you made it this far in the video, I want to say thank you and also remind you that all of the links are going to be in the description below. Now, if you're looking for more ways to make money, you could check the label in the description box that says more ways to earn. And also you could check out these 2 videos here that's going to give you some more money making tips. All right, guys, I'll see you all in the next one.